Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular questions out there: how to make money on YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to maximize your earnings, this video is for you. We're breaking down the steps to YouTube success, from setting up your channel to exploring different income streams. So grab your cameras and let's get started. First things first, you need a channel. Think of it as your very own art gallery, but instead of paintings, it's filled with videos. Your channel needs a clear niche and brand. What are you passionate about? What makes you unique? Once you've got your niche figured out, it's time to make your channel pop. We're talking about a compelling channel banner that screams, "You gotta watch this." Don't forget your About section. This is your chance to tell your story, connect with viewers, and let them know what your channel is all about. Keep it concise, engaging, and make sure it reflects your brand. Upload a high-quality profile picture. Think of it as your channel's first impression, so make it count. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, so make sure yours is saying all the right things. A strong brand and a visually appealing aesthetic will draw them in and make them want to stick around for more. Now, let's talk content, the heart and soul of your YouTube channel. If your channel is the gallery, your videos are the masterpieces. You need to create high-quality, engaging videos that provide real value to your audience. Think about it. Why should people spend their precious time watching your videos? Are you teaching them something new? Are you entertaining them? Are you inspiring them? To create high-quality videos, you need to invest in decent equipment. A good camera and microphone will make a world of difference. A clear, well-lit image and crisp audio will make your videos look and sound more professional. Once you've got your equipment sorted, it's time to learn some basic video editing skills. Knowing how to cut, transition, and add music to your videos will elevate them to the next level. Think of editing as framing your paintings. The right editing can enhance the mood, pacing, and overall impact of your videos. There are tons of free and affordable video editing software programs available online. The more you film and edit, the better you'll become. Let your creativity run wild and don't be afraid to take risks. Okay, you've got a killer channel and amazing content, but now you need to get those views rolling in. Building an audience is crucial for YouTube success, and it takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of strategy. Promote your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes content, and engage with your followers. Collaborating with other creators is another fantastic way to reach new viewers. Team up with YouTubers in your niche and create awesome content together. But most importantly, don't forget to engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community on your channel. Make your viewers feel heard and appreciated, and they'll be more likely to stick around and become loyal fans. Building a loyal following takes time and effort, but it's incredibly rewarding. Nurture those relationships and watch your community flourish. Alright, now let's talk about the big leagues, making money through the YouTube Partner Program. This is where your hard work starts to pay off. This is the dream, right? Getting paid to do what you love. But before you start counting your stacks of cash, there are a few requirements you need to meet. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about building a community. First off, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. This shows that you have a solid base of viewers who are interested in your content. And it's not just about the numbers, you also need 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. This ensures that your audience is engaged and consistently watching your videos. Once you've hit those milestones, you can apply to the YouTube Partner Program and unlock the potential to earn money through ads on your videos. The application process is straightforward but requires patience. Imagine, every time someone clicks or watches an ad on your video, you get a cut of the revenue. This can add up quickly, especially if you have a lot of views. But remember, ad revenue can fluctuate depending on various factors, so it's important to diversify your income streams, which we'll discuss in the next chapter. Think about sponsorships, merchandise, and memberships. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is a significant step towards monetizing your channel. It's a milestone that many creators aspire to reach. It's a sign that you've built a dedicated audience and that your content is resonating with viewers. This engagement is crucial for long-term success. But remember, the journey doesn't end there. It's just the beginning of a new chapter in your YouTube career. Continue creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and exploring new ways to grow your channel. The sky's the limit when it comes to your potential on YouTube. Congratulations, you've made it to the big leagues and joined the YouTube Partner Program. This is a significant milestone and a testament to your hard work and dedication. But don't get too comfortable relying solely on ad revenue. While it's a great start, it's often not enough to sustain a full-time career. To build a sustainable income stream from your YouTube channel, you need to diversify. This means exploring various revenue streams that can complement your ad earnings. One lucrative avenue is sponsorships. These partnerships can provide a significant boost to your income. Brands are always on the lookout for creative ways to reach their target audience, and partnering with YouTubers is a fantastic way to do just that. They value the unique connection you have with your audience. If you have a loyal and engaged following, brands might approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. This can be a win-win situation for both parties, but remember, authenticity is key. Your audience trusts you, and that trust is invaluable. Only partner with brands that align with your values and that you genuinely believe in. This ensures that your endorsements remain credible and trustworthy. Another way to diversify your income is through merchandise. This allows you to create a personal brand that your fans can connect with on a deeper level. Creating and selling your own merchandise is a fantastic way to monetize your channel and give your fans a tangible way to support your work. From t-shirts to mugs, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget about memberships, a feature that allows your most dedicated fans to support your channel through monthly recurring payments in exchange for exclusive perks. This can include behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos, and more. By diversifying your income streams, you'll create a more stable and sustainable business model for your YouTube channel. This not only secures your financial future, but also allows you to focus on creating content you love. It's all about finding creative ways to monetize your passion while staying true to your brand and your audience. The more diversified your income, the more freedom you'll have to innovate and grow. All right, let's talk about another powerful tool in your YouTube money-making arsenal: affiliate marketing. This strategy has been a game changer for many content creators, allowing them to generate a steady stream of income. This is a fantastic way to earn passive income by promoting products and services you love and use yourself. Imagine getting paid for recommending items you already enjoy and trust. You partner with brands and include special affiliate links in your video descriptions. These links are unique to you, tracking any sales that come from your recommendations. When viewers click on your link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win-win situation. The viewer gets a product they need, the brand makes a sale, and you earn a commission for facilitating that sale. The viewer gets a recommendation for a product or service they're interested in, the brand makes a sale, and you earn a commission. This can add up quickly, especially if you have a large and engaged audience. But remember, transparency is key. Your audience trusts you, and it's crucial to maintain that trust. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your viewers. This not only builds trust, but also complies with legal requirements. Be upfront and honest about the fact that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your link. Transparency fosters trust and encourages your audience to support you. Only promote products and services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your channel's niche. Your recommendations should feel authentic and relevant to your content. To find affiliate programs that align with your channel, you can reach out to brands directly or join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services to choose from. When incorporating affiliate links into your videos, be strategic. Plan your content in a way that naturally integrates these products. Don't just spam links in the description box. Instead, organically weave them into your content. Mention them in your videos, show how you use them, and explain why you recommend them. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to monetize your YouTube channel, but it's important to approach it ethically and transparently. By doing so, you can build a sustainable income stream while maintaining the trust and loyalty of your audience. Now that you're well on your way to YouTube monetization, it's time to put on your analytical beret and dive into the world of data. Think of YouTube Analytics as your art studio assistant, providing valuable insights into your channel's performance. By regularly analyzing your channel's data, you can identify what's working, what's not, and make informed decisions to optimize your content and strategy. YouTube Analytics provides a wealth of information, from audience demographics and watch time to traffic sources and engagement rates. By understanding these metrics, you can tailor your content to better serve your audience and attract new viewers. For example, if you notice that a particular video is performing exceptionally well, analyze why. Is it the topic, the editing style, the thumbnail? Once you understand what's resonating with viewers, you can create more content along those lines. On the other hand, if you notice that viewers are dropping off at a specific point in your videos, investigate why. By regularly analyzing your channel's performance and adapting your strategy accordingly, you'll stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow your audience. The beauty of YouTube is that you have the freedom to iterate and improve over time. And that's a wrap. Making money on YouTube takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work, but it's definitely possible. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and good luck with your YouTube journey. Check out these other videos for more great content, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and comment.